welcome back to Mama Weesie channel. Today I will be doing a part 2 of my disaster house cleaning. I want y'all to come along with me to see if y'all can get some ideas of what can you use into your house cleaning and how you can use some things to decorate your house. So that's why I'm here doing this. I want y'all to come along with me, and I'm going to do a before look, and then I'm going to do an after look. So come on along. Before look of the bathroom. And as you can see that I have some designs up on the wall. I'm not going to change that. I'm going to keep it the way that it is. On top of my toilet, I have, these are called candle holders. See, I got little candles inside. And all that in my tub, of course. So all that's going to be changed. Well, only thing I'm going to add some stuff to my toilet and all that, and then new towels up there. So y'all will see in a shower curtain and all that. That's what I'm going to use to clean my bathroom with. What I use for my toilet. I use it for my toilet and also for my floor. And I use my Ajax to clean the toilet and the sink and everything. Change my toilet seat as well and put my new toilet seat. Well, you'll see all that up. Who can agree with me that the bathroom is the easiest place in the house to clean? It takes me no time to clean the bathroom, no time. So now I'm about to put my new toilet seat on. As you can see, my toilet seat, the new toilet seat. I use wood because it's easier to clean than the plastic one. So I'm about to put this on toilet seat now. I pray that this toilet seat fits the toilet. It says it fits most toilet, so I hope this is the one that it does fit. Okay, here we go. It goes like that. Okay. I ain't read no kind of instruction, y'all. I read no kind of instruction. That I better get the instructions. Let's see. Alright. So it does do that. Okay. Goes on to there. I need the screwdriver. Loosen it up. Y'all, I'm going to try to get this, and I'll be right back. As soon as I turn the camera off, I got it. Oh my goodness. Okay, this goes to the bottom. Okay. So now this is where the screwdriver comes into play, because I have to hold this down to tighten the bottom on. So I'm going to be loose. I'm not going to tighten it all the way until I get the other one on. Okay. slides right on. Hello. Got it. And it fits too. Perfect fit. Okay. Close that down. Perfect fit, y'all. Okay. Make sure the toilet ain't loose. First I gotta tighten some more. Okay. Good, good, good. Nice fit. All right. On to the next. Perfect fit. Nice fit. What do y'all think of this? I think this was a good thing they came up with. It hides the plunger. So when someone comes to, you have a visitor and they want to use your bathroom, they don't have to see the plunger. Look at that. That is so decent. What do y'all think? And it's white to match the toilet seat and the sink and the tub. So I think this is so nice. Comment down below, what do y'all think about it? Just mop the floor. I use a mop, I use the rag to clean the floor so I can get all this dirt out. Okay, my Wee's Nation, I'm finished with the bathroom. Tell me how do y'all like the colors I went with. We have the pictures on the wall. Also the clock. And then the toilet. And if y'all didn't catch it, the toilet seat did fit. And then you can see on the side that's the scrub boat, the scrub. They scrub the toilet with. The color coronation. The shower curtain. Are y'all feeling it? I love this. I will give thanks with all my heart. Psalms 9:1. I love that. And then I have the trash can to match it. And the trash can saying the same thing. I will give thanks with all my heart. Psalms 9:1. This is so beautiful. It also have Philippians 4:11. I have learned to be content whatever the circumstances. And then Philippians 4:4. Always be full of joy. In Ecclesiastes 11:9. Be happy and let your heart give you joy. I love this. Oh my God, I love this. What do y'all think? The Bible verse, chapters, and verse. Do y'all like the color coronation? Comment down below. Did I hit the nail on the head? This is the after. Y'all saw what the before looked like, and this is the after. So I'm giving y'all some ideas. Maybe y'all can come up with a different colors, some different colors that match what I have. Okay, we about to enter another part of the house that need fixing up. Woo! Look at there, y'all. So I have an idea that what I'm going to do with this room. What a mess. This color coordination that I'm going with, I hope y'all like it. And hope that y'all can use some of the ideas that I have. So right now, this is what we're looking at. This is the before. Okay, snapping my finger. Here's the after. Wee's Nation, comment and let me know if y'all like my room and also the bathroom. If y'all feel that it's some ideas that y'all will use, let me know in the comments below. The pillows will be in my description so I can let y'all know where I got it from. They're nice and soft. Oh, soft. And a comforter, same thing. It came as a set. All that will be in my description. I put up my little Christmas tree in my room. Y'all like that? I'm about to show y'all how I look in the dark. Doesn't that look pretty in the dark? I asked a question about in one of my videos. It might be this one or it might be another one. But I end up getting the pumpkin spice. It smells so good in the room. Everything, all the clothes off the bed, the room is changed. What a difference it makes. Wee's Nation, we finished. Thank y'all for coming along with me to do this makeover. I showed y'all the before and the after. I hope y'all like each and every part of what y'all saw. Even my little Christmas tree. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified each time I post. And don't forget to share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Guess what day it is? Vlogmas 23. Bye.